Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Low Carb Cocktails. Once again, review video. This one I was kind of surprised about and actually really enjoyed this. We're going to talk tequila a little bit. This is Members Mark tequila. You know, Sam's Club, Walmart Corporation. Saw this when shopping at Sam's, saw a big ass bottle of tequila, 1.75 liters, and I'm shaking it up and all. And thought, you know, let me kind of take a look at it. So I did some Google searches about reviews and stuff. It has some decent reviews. So I picked up a bottle and brought it home. Gave it a try. And as you can see, it's halfway gone. It's actually a really good tequila. This is from NOM number 1143. And if you know about NOM numbers and tequila, that's the distillery that made this tequila. So, this particular NOM, this particular distillery, is the Distillery Gonzalez. I'm not Spanish, I'm not gonna pretend to use an accent. In Jalisco, Mexico. So they produce a lot of different tequilas, along with, they make Trader Joe's tequila, but I think I'm right on that one. I'm not 100% sure, but I believe it was tequila. Let me see. Let's see. That's what it is. So, also guys, if you're into tequilas, Tequila Match app is a great app to have. You can check the NOM numbers to see what they make, different things like that. Yes, they make Trader Joe's tequila. Vizon, I'm butchering these names, I'm sure. Monte Alban, Javelina, Estrape, I'm sure I messed that one up. Alfira, Del Mar, Senzon, Cala Azul, and Kakama. I know I'm screwing these names up, but that's okay. We're gonna be talking about this one, and another one I like is previously produced here. It says previously, I don't know how old this is Exotica. Exotica is one of our daily drinker tequilas. You know, just gonna throw it together in a margarita or a Paloma, something like that. Exoticos are go-to for us. It's less than $20 a bottle, and it holds its own against any $40 bottle of tequila out there in the Blanco and the Reposado side. It's a good tequila for its price point. Love Exotico. This is from the same distillery. I wish I had some Exotico here to compare it to. I did the day I bought this, and honestly, I couldn't tell a difference at all. I'm sure there's some nuances that a tequila expert would find. I didn't. As far as what juice is in this bottle, in my opinion, it's the same juice that's in an Exotico bottle. This is the same price as a fifth of Exotico, you know, the 750 milliliters, and you get quite a bit more. So value-wise, great tequila. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up and talk about this a little bit. Right off the nose, agave, of course. Fruity, earthy, delicious smelling. Let's see. We'll pour a little bit and talk about the taste. So, like I said, on the nose, first thing I get is sweet agave. Then followed by, I mean, just a sweet is still there no matter what. Like a fruit, grassy, some herbal, slight bit of floral on it. Up front right away, and you get that little grassiness, a little earthiness that you get off of tequilas. The agave's there, but it's not the main thing on the palate. On the nose it is. So overall, guys, if you have a membership to Sam's and if you've not picked up a bottle of their silver tequila and my dog's barking, you can stop that now, by all means. My opinion is well worth the 19 bucks that it was here in Louisiana. I know markets vary in price, but here it was $19.99. Well worth it, guys. So that's it. Little review video of Member Mark's Silver Tequila. If you've ever had Exotico, in my opinion, it tastes exactly like the Exotico Blanco. And for value-wise, same price, just a lot more in the bottle. So guys, that's it for me. Y'all have a great day, because after this, I'll be having a great day too. Cheers. See y'all later.